It's Alyssa Corum here, and today on Technical Analysis, we're talking all about resistance at buy points and what can happen after a stock gets turned away after staging a breakout. Alibaba is our stock of the day, and we're seeing the Chinese internet giant break out after attempting to clear a buy point several weeks ago. So let's take a look at this daily chart here. Shares are rising in above average turnover, clearing a 189.89 buy point. Now, this new buy point developed after Alibaba tried to clear a 188.18 buy point from a cup with handle base. Now, even though the stock was turned away at the initial buy point, Alibaba never triggered a sell signal. Shares have been trading in a tight range and have been hitting resistance at that prior entry until now. And with the stock climbing above this new buy point in above average turnover, shares are definitively clearing the prior resistance. Alibaba's initial breakout came in volume that was only slightly above average. Also, it's important to note that the relative strength line, this blue line on our chart, is lagging. And not only is the line well below all-time highs that coincided with all-time price highs, but it's also lower now than it was at the start of the handle here, even though it's now trading at a higher price. That signals underperformance versus the S&P 500. Now, Alibaba is a widely recognized Chinese internet company, but just because a well-known stock is breaking out, that doesn't necessarily mean you should buy. It's important to carefully consider the chart action first. And investors should also consider the added risk that might come with investing in China stocks amid the ongoing trade war. Any negative news on that front could weigh on shares. And looking at the fundamentals, revenue growth is strong, but earnings growth has been in the low single digits over the last 3 quarters. That's expected to continue, with estimates for 2019 earnings growth at 9%. However, that growth is expected to accelerate to 23% in 2020. When you're looking for top growth stocks, it's ideal to see earnings growth of 25% or more, and it's even better when you see that growth accelerate. Okay, so to recap, if you're interested in buying a stock that initially was turned away from a buy point, remember that a new buying opportunity may emerge. Make sure you're analyzing the price and volume action, the relative strength line, and the fundamentals too. For Investors Business Daily, I'm Alyssa Corum.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching Investors Business Daily on YouTube.
If you want to watch more videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing.